Okay, everything is out of the oven now. We'll show you, take a picture here. We'll see what we got there. See, came out really good, nice and shiny. Gotta let her cool down. And here's the end caps that we had to do. And the little stabilizer bars. Came out nice. Here's the other one. It's kind of nice when you do this to do all of them together, because that way they can be hung together. Yeah, they came out pretty good. Don't like to get it inside the holes, because then it doesn't want to go back together, because it gets that buildup of the powder coat in there. All right, that'll be it for the day. We're gonna work on some more stuff tomorrow. Maybe we'll get something online. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye.